My name is Landon. I'm here with Zach, and we're going to show you how to change the backup batteries in a Smartlift 400. All right, so this is Zach.
What's up?
Zach is our technician here at Great Lakes Lifting Solutions. Today, he is going to show us how to change the backup battery for a Smartlift 400. This goes on the end of, as you can see, a forklift. Whoa! Look out, Zach. The end of a forklift or a telehandler. As you see, it's got the suction cups where you can put your glass, suck it on there, put it on your building, and move on. But we all heard and saw the flashing lights and heard the loud noise beeping coming from here. That lets you know that this machine is in limp mode, that you need to change your backup batteries. So without further ado, will you show us how to do that?
For sure. So first thing you're going to want to do is remove your battery. Push in and turn. Slide it out of the battery tray.
Easy.
Next, you're going to have four 4mm bolts. 2 on this side, 2 on the other side. You're going to remove those to give you access under the hood.
We already got that one. And then that one.
So then take the hood off and just slide that straight up. Comes off of there. Gives you access to your electronic control panel, your filters, your pumps, everything else.
Perfect.
So next, we got to loosen three 3mm bolts on the battery tray, and we're doing that so we can slide the battery tray out of the housing here. So once you've got your bolts loosened,
one bolt,
you just slide that out of there, and that's all the more it's going to move. You're just moving it enough to get that housing loose right there.
Perfect.
Once you've got that housing loose, you're going to look down in here behind the rail at 2 6mm hex bolts that need to be removed. One out in the open and one underneath of those wires right there. So it may take a little bit of moving around, but you can get it. Once you've got those loose, you're just going to pull this battery tray out. Make sure you're out and loose. Slide that down and just let it hang right there, just like that. Next, you'll grab your skeleton key. All Smartlift 400 models should have a key just like this. Put it in here. Turn. And that gives you access to your electronics.
Perfect. Now in a pinch, could I use a flathead?
You could use a flathead. If you look on here, there should be a pin in the center of this, like a tamper-proof style pin. You can see someone's already broken this one off, and you probably used a flathead to open this before. So in a pinch, yes, you can use a flathead. Just know that there may be a safety pin in the middle there.
Got it.
Once you've got the lid open, both of your backup batteries are right here. It's got 2 backup batteries. They're 12-volt, 1.3 amp hour batteries. They are removed by 2 3mm hex bolts that hold this retaining strap in, and then they just plug in positive and negative with clips.
Perfect.
Once you're done, you just bag it up.
Easy days. Just follow the steps backwards to put it all back together.
Yes, sir.
Nice.
Tighten everything up and turn it on and test it. Make sure you're good to go. You should, once you turn it on and your backup batteries are changed, if voltage is proper, you should be able to turn the machine on and you will not get any kind of error code.
Awesome. Thanks, Zach.
You got it.